just a regular tool. But some things you just don't realize.